In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Ifttt applet triggered by a new Outlook calendar event. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to ifttt.com. Once the site loads, sign in to your account. If you're already logged in, you can move straight to the dashboard. Taking a moment to confirm that you're in the correct account is helpful here, especially if you manage more than one automation setup. After you're logged in, look for the Create option and click it. This is where you begin building a new applet from scratch. An applet in Ifttt works as a simple automation. When one thing happens, another action can follow. In this case, we're focusing on setting up the trigger, which is the event that starts the automation. On the applet creation screen, click Ifttt. This tells Ifttt that you're about to define the trigger service and event. You'll then be prompted to choose a service, search for Outlook Calendar, and select it from the list. If this is your first time using Outlook Calendar with Ifttt, you may be asked to connect your account. Follow the prompts to authorize access so Ifttt can detect calendar activity. Make sure you allow the correct permissions, otherwise the trigger may not work properly. Once Outlook Calendar is connected, you'll see a list of available trigger options. Choose New Event Created. This means the applet will activate whenever a new event is added to your Outlook calendar. It's a useful trigger if you want to build automations around scheduling, reminders, notifications, or follow-up actions in other apps. At this point, the trigger has been selected and the foundation of your applet is in place. Before moving on later to any action step, it's a good idea to quickly review what you chose and confirm that Outlook Calendar is the selected service and that new event created is the chosen trigger. Small checks like this can save time if you ever need to troubleshoot why an automation isn't firing as expected. If you're following along, you should now be successfully logged into Ifttt inside the Applet Builder and have selected the Outlook Calendar trigger for newly created events. That completes this part of the setup and gets you ready for whatever action you want the applet to perform next.